This was our big trade of the week last week at Blue Line Trading. It was a buy signal on VXX on August 31st. You can see where the crossover from oversold took place right here. That's where we went long. VXX also at that same time broke out of a longer term trend regression channel, confirming the buy and giving us a little more confidence that this was going to be a big trade, and it was. We paid $220 for those calls. They got as high as $827. My advice, for the most part, is to take half off at 100%, reducing your risk to zero, and hold on to the rest of it for further gains. Anyway, that was a pretty good trade. It's still on. We have 2 weeks to expiration. I think it's VXX will ultimately go higher, if not Tuesday, later on in the week. This is the other chart I want to put up. The last time we had a contested presidential election, I was living on the beach in South Carolina, sitting in front of the TV and watching the circus for months. It was right here. It was during the 1995 to 2000 tech and dot-com mania. We can see NASDAQ 100 went crazy up until the middle of 2000, and then going into the end of 2000, 2001 came crashing down. That was the year of the contested election between Al Gore and George Bush. Bush won, as you know, basis of 5-4 decision from the Supreme Court of the United States regarding the electoral votes from the state of Florida. We are moving into a similar political landscape in 2020, 20 years later. We have had a tech mania going into the peak here, which we may have already seen. Actually, we have already seen it for 2020. What's coming next? If 2000 was an indication of what is to come, then this is what will be coming. I don't think there's any doubt in anyone's mind that we will have a contested election. I think both sides, Democrats and Republicans, are expecting it, in some cases relishing in it. It's going to be an interesting end to this year. Stock market wise, watch out. This was a 78% crash. This is Alan for Blue Line Trading. See you next time.